일어나.
I'm gonna go buy a drink at the convenience store. I've noticed that a lot more people are wearing masks now out in public. 1,000원 now is 2,500원 at the pharmacy. I'm wearing the N90, I think. That's the best one I could find. I've heard some of the public places are even closed, like some malls, some preschools, movie theaters in certain cities. Be careful, everyone. Stay safe. 가자. I need to paint my nails really quick. Kind of lazy to remove my pink nail polish. Oh my god, they look so bad. Let me just draw my brows really quick. God, that looks so funny with the brows. So today I'm going to clean a little bit and work out a little bit at home, and then also go roller skating. Maybe I should get my brows tattooed. Scalp is so dry lately, especially in the winter time. So I picked this up from Olive Young. It's called the dr.forhair. So this has really helped. So on areas where it kind of itches, I just spray this directly on the scalp and then massage it in. Spray it like that. Hungry. Let's eat something. Eat something, clean up, work out a little bit, and then let's go skating. My cousin brought ranch from Dallas because I can't find ranch anywhere here in Korea. I can't even find it online. Well, I did find one online, but it was like $30 for 2 of this. So my mom sent me 2 ranches. Shike is so good. Oh, what shike? Rice. It's like a rice drink. Oh? Sweet rice drink. If you go to like saunas and King Spa and stuff, they sell the shike. So good. Are you gonna have some? So good. 오늘 이거 먹어봐봐. 이겨봐. My calendar. Love stickers. Add a full monthly schedule. February so far.
My heart is under the sea, drowning for clemency. And I'm not really brave, but this is major. I won't leave you. I thought that it would work. Baby, I was sure, but you never loved me and you left me. Baby, you don't love me the way I did. Baby, this is not right for me. Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby.
할까? 좋은 거 하시는 거야.
재미없을 것 같아.
연우 잘할 것 같아, 이번에는. 가자. 스케이트 선우는 갈 거야? 갈 거야? 이거 롤러 스케이팅. 준우 이렇게 하는 거야?
뭐 빙차.
Hey guys, so we just got back from roller skating. I cleaned up the house a little bit and what did I do? Oh, I kind of sweated while I was skating, so I just washed my hair, I dried it, and we're gonna get ready for dinner soon. Our friend and his kids are over as well, the same group of people that went with us to go skating. I feel so old because his oldest child is in middle school and she called me emo, so I'm like, oh, I feel so old. Anyways, Aiden and his friend, they went to go buy some salmon. We're gonna have salmon for dinner, and his daughter brought her guitar, so I'm gonna tell her to teach me some chords. I tried learning guitar like years ago, but it was so hard I gave up. I'm pretty good, I think, when it comes to instruments. Like I play the cello and I play the piano. Guitar is one instrument that I cannot play, so yes, let's go. So a few days ago when I was in Seoul, I was in the subway and I don't know why, but there was this random like pole, like metal pole sticking out of nowhere on the floor, and I didn't see it because I was just facing front, and I ran to that metal pole, so I got this huge bruise on my thigh and it hurts so bad. I don't think I've ever bruised this bad before. So my right leg is in pain, and then today while roller skating I also ran into a pool, and yeah, but this one isn't that bad. I just got a cut. The other leg, the bruise is so bad. Aiden's almost here. Let's go. Friends' kids and their puppy just came over. So cute. So tiny. 안녕. 이름 뭐라고? 강아지 이름? 아 맞다. 소리. Say hi. Hello. Hanju brought her guitar. 와, 여기다 연결하는 거야? 네. 와. 이게 괜찮아? 아이고, 삼촌 어디신데? 아이고. 오. 아? 네. 우와.
아, 그래도 안 돼. 불안해야지.
무슨 게임이야? So our friend's a chef, so he brought his own knife and salmon. We're gonna have some tuna and udon, bulgogi for the kids. Whoa, that's a lot of soju. Juice. So that's vinegar?
vinegar, yeah. Sushi
So
vinegar.
they put this in the sushi rice?
설마, 설마.
Oh my god!
제 칼.
What? So this is tuna,
먼저 있어야 도마토?
salmon.
어?
얼굴 나오셔도 돼요? 모자이크 해줄까요? 모자이크 해줄게요.
Tell me where you go, it's no good. Be without you, but I'm fine. I know it's what it's like that. In the mood, wherever I go in my dreams, in my way, in my bed.
미리 자버리냐?
연우 거. 연우 거.
Feel special, but I know you don't want me 'cause I know your type is alright. While I'm dying inside. I just wanna make you feel special, but I know you don't want me 'cause I know your type is alright.
Just finished dinner. I'm so full. I'm gonna try to learn guitar from Hyunju for a little bit and then go to bed. Good night, guys.
Under the sea, trying for clemency, and I'm not really brave, but this is nature. I won't leave you.